I am Diksha Sajdev from Bloggers Ideas and I'm so excited for this particular masterclass today. So today I'm going to do a detailed review of fashion designing masterclass course by none other than Marc Jacobs. But first, let me do a quick introduction to this masterclass platform. Masterclass is a course website where you get to learn about varied subjects. What sets it apart from other educational websites is that Masterclass is a curated course platform that is taught by the leading experts of the given industry, which is really unique in my opinion. So it has two pricing structures. If you're looking into taking only one particular course, then you can pay for $90 and get a lifetime access to that course. Or you can opt for an all access pass where you can pay $180 annually and access as many courses as you wish for. I would really advise you to go for the second option, as the content in this platform is simply exceptional and really hard to choose any one particular course. You would like to explore and know more about the courses and the knowledge that is shared by the instructors. But if you're sure and you're only looking for one particular course, then go for the $90 option and get a lifelong access for that specific one. Just to show you a quick overview of the masterclass homepage, here is the profile community where you can start a discussion on any course or topic or network with fellow students who have signed up for these courses. You can also gift an all-access pass to your friend or family member who can benefit from the masterclass. It will be like giving the gift of education and experience to your loved one. You can access courses which deal in various topics and choose one you would like to learn or which instructor would you like to listen to. So that was all about the masterclass homepage. Now coming back to our masterclass course about fashion design by Marc Jacobs and whether it is worth it or not. So let's get started. Now let me tell you a little about Marc Jacobs. Marc Jacobs is a world-renowned fashion designer who teaches everything he has learned being in the industry and from his personal experiences. He is an American fashion designer who owns fashion labels Marc Jacobs and Marc. He was the creative director of Louis Vuitton, a French design house. In August 2019, he won the MTV Video Music Award and Fashion Trailblazer Award. His achievements are countless indeed. In his first ever online class, he emphasizes on how he was introduced into this fashion world. Questions like finding inspiration, sketches, fabrics, techniques, and runway are deliberately explained in this masterclass. When it comes to fashion, he says taking risk is worth, as fashion is not only art but the act of living. So now let's explore creating risk in the fashion world with Marc Jacobs. So I'll be doing a detailed video wherein each lesson is well explained, so stay with me till the end to find out if this course is worth it or not. In his first lesson, he explains about his personal experiences and his goals to inspire your interests and journey in fashion. Moving on to the second lesson, Marc Jacobs teaches how one can learn design. He also admits that he is an old school. He likes to feel the fabric and go with the basic techniques like sewing, which in my opinion is extremely simple and beginner friendly. In the third lesson, he mentions his inspiration and role model, and he also mentions some amazing names which he is inspired by, like hip-hops, grunge, Miami, etc. In his fourth lesson, he talks about taking the various paths in fashion and exploring your ideas and interests. Whereas in the next lesson, he mentions how choosing a fabric is so important. Basics like how it will rest on the body, its patterns, colors are completely dependent on the ideas and imagination of a designer. In the next couple lessons, he is speaking about how the shape and silhouette of your garment can be very important, and that it's all about the process of going from sketch to pattern. And I love the way he explains that your first tale can't be perfect. He also shares his favorite construction techniques and his processes. In his 10th lesson, he breaks down the technique and demonstrates how every sequence and garment goes for every perfect design. Now it's time to build the collection. For his 11th lesson, Marc says it comes by working on a collection with accessories, shoes, jewels. In short, it's all about collection of ideas which becomes a cohesive collection. In the 12th lesson, an idea to Runway 2017 is given as to how he was inspired from Netflix and hip hop. So this was a really cool experience again for him. Next, in his 13th lesson, he speaks about teamwork and collection. He believes in collaboration in the design process very strongly, and for it to become perfect, he works with n number of stylists. In his next lessons, he says everything is useless if runway goes wrong. He says the runway is a theatrical experience one shall not forget but take it home. Exploring his work with Louis Vuitton, he says that he was persistent and didn't give up, and for his dream to come true, he did various works as a freelancer as well. Furthermore, Mark also talks about the challenges faced in fashion designing industry, shares some tips to survive in the industry, and he also talks about why he started loving fashion. He shares his love for shopping and growing into it. In the final lesson of this masterclass course, Marc Jacob mentions how his masterclass may encourage you to be fearless in this industry. This masterclass offers a class workbook in it as well. In this workbook, you would understand who Marc Jacob actually is and how he inspires and delivers the best of his work and knowledge to everybody out there. It also has 18 sections each, one in further improvisation of the lectures. So now coming to my experience of this detailed masterclass, it was all about Marc Jacob's personal experiences and how he paved his way through this industry to become the world's most famous and renowned fashion designer. He speaks about his basic techniques, silhouettes, and a past few collaborations that he's done. I personally learned the importance of minimal and creative fashion designing as well. And if you are a creative person and love fabrics, jewelry, shoes and stuff, so this masterclass is totally meant for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We would love to hear your thoughts for the same in the comment section below. Also, I would highly recommend this masterclass by Marc Jacobs for y'all because it is so informative and yeah, it's just lovely to have him there. Also, if you wish to pursue this masterclass, then you can find all the details to it in the description box below. Also, if you really like this review, then please like and share this video. And for more such reviews, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And one last thing before I leave, please click on the bell icon and stay notified of whenever we post. Bye.